We're a truck importing business, general freight trucks, logging trucks, fuel tankers, livestock.
Started off with 4 or 5 people passionate about trucks, and now we have multiple branches, but we haven't lost that value of family and working together, and obviously part of that is keeping health and safety at the core of all of that.
You know, from a health and safety perspective, it's not a cookie cutter vanilla that it's all the same. There's different levels of risk in different parts of the business.
The system we had prior to this was paper-based, and it was very reliant on one individual who had to manage that on behalf of 7 branches. Very onerous on that individual.
We needed to find a way to connect with every single employee directly, because everyone's got a mobile phone, just about. So there's how do we connect with these people so that we get participation and ownership? So that drove us to ecoPortal because of how well it worked.
Instead of each department has a set of health and safety principles that they follow, but all written slightly differently, we're just one company, one policy, one platform. The aftermarket support has just been really good. We've been able to just interact over the phone, over Teams, through whatever environment, and the customer service side of ecoPortal has been able to help out. And once every 2 or 3 months we get to go and join a user group with other companies doing similar digital strategy around health and safety, but at different stages of implementation. We're learning a lot from those user groups.
For me, the platform is about educating, training and upskilling all of our staff here so that they take ownership for their own health and safety in their workspace, and that they take a level of responsibility.
Something that's developed in the last few minutes, rather than waiting for the next health and safety meeting or the next toolbox meeting, it can get dealt with by the employee right there and then.
And we've been seeing some great buy-in from a broad range of our staff, which is really good.
It enables an employee to be engaged with health and safety where they also feel they're making a meaningful contribution to making the environment safer.
It's not just about putting an incident in and that's that. I like how it takes us on the journey to really dive in and work out the what's and the whys.
I will get sent alerts if one of my staff members has entered something, and then I can actually see what's going on and I can go from there.
It makes that task for us as managers really easy to deal with those things, and I think staff appreciate that.
Because the system is open to all our staff to access a broad range of information that's there. So we're being open and transparent, there's greater visibility.
I can walk around and thank someone and say, thank you for relaying that. I saw that get logged yesterday and I appreciate it.
People are starting to be more aware, and they're starting to articulate amongst themselves about any situation.
Staff don't just hear that we care about them, they can see it, and we've demonstrated it to them. And I think that's good for the owners of the business, but also really I think staff genuinely believe that's what we're about.